This brand is made in China and can be purchased on Amazon, but the warranty on the units is not very good when compared to other brands. The brand uses R410A refrigerant, which is not as environmentally friendly as brands that use R32. The units use a single hose, which is not as energy efficient, as conditioned air from the room is constantly being exhausted to the outside and has to be replaced and conditioned. They use a basic washable filter which does not do much to keep the cooling coil clean or to improve the air quality in the home. They only offer one model which has an 8000 BTU cooling capacity, which will not be adequate for all sizes of rooms. It only has a 2-speed fan and manual louvers, which does not do as good of a job of circulating the air throughout the room as brands with oscillating louvers. It has electronic controls with a remote, but the remote does not sense the room temperature. This brand receives an overall 1-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy.